Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com. And today I want you to think about what your goals are for this year. Did you write them down? I hope you did. If you didn't, you need to do that like yesterday, but start today. And then I want you to think about who is it that you need to be to actually achieve those things that you said you wanted to make happen. And so we did this massive goal setting workshop for my students within Activate. And I had them set their goals for the year. And then I asked them, who do you need to be to actually make these goals happen? And so if you want to have that 6-figure business, you can't be someone who's sitting on the couch eating potato chips who only works when she feels like it, right? Right. Okay. So are you somebody who maybe you need to wake up early and have a morning routine, or somebody who exercises daily, who has confidence, who's a leader, who's organized, who's consistent? Who do you need to be to actually reach your goals? And how do you need to grow to reach your goals? And so what I did was I'm like, I want to have that 7-figure business. What does a 7-figure business owner act like? What are they doing? What are they doing differently? How are they being different than me? And then I just wrote down all the qualities. And then I said, am I doing these things? If not, what do I need to change? What do I need to work on? What areas do I need to grow in and be intentional about developing within myself and within our team so I can be that leader, right? So write down that whole list. Who do you need to be to achieve your goals? And then comment below and let me know what's one area that you're going to focus on growing in the next month. So I hope you find that helpful. Make sure to head to shesmakinganimpact.com. I've got tons of free tips and resources to help you grow your business. I'll talk to you later.